Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you are highly welcome. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. My people, I don't see come back again. This my one and they see so my people. On the 25th of this month, which is Christmas Day, where everybody they jolly with the family. Everybody, this might just be like a SARS. Wetin happen that very day? They give, I don't even know the reason why they even give this man AK. I don't even know the AK where they even give. I don't even know whether I'm 44 or all those kind of thing. That very day, now the man say he want warm the hair. To start with, I don't even know whether the hair where he want even warm, whether the head they fico or whatever. This man na junker, na drunkard, all those kind of thing. I don't even know the reason why they even give the man. When they ask the man why he want warm, he say he want just try ask me my people whether na hey, man, oh my God, that Nigeria my people, the kind AK where they give people, I don't even know the kind of people where they even give, and then the people where even they give, they all of them are just the same thing. Just imagine Christmas Day where everybody they jolly they celebrate with the family, where video day my people, where I go show the video make una hear from the man mouth where the man say if they try to warm the AK where they give am. Ask me my people, if you want even warm am, how person go even put that thing where they keep person, how that person go even put am. To start with, whether the hair wey you want even shoot, whether the hair dey fit cold, wey you want warmer. As the man dey warm the AK wey dey give am, the man just give RIP to two people straight down. He just give the RIP. These people, they no even thief, nothing, they no even do anything. This man, because he want warm the hair, now he just give two people just give the RIP. These two people, there was no fight, there was no quarrel among them. This man just say he want just shoot the air, and just give the RIP. Just imagine the day of Christmas Day where everybody they jolly. The something happen, be like in a Kogi State now, the something for happen. Two beautiful ladies just go like that on that spot that very day. Just imagine, because the man say he want warm the hair. The two innocent, so he just waste their life for nothing. Wetin use for all those girls my people? I believe say that thing they will go land for another country, another land, because the AK wey say he get no be for year. Just imagine the two people, they just enjoy their life Christmas Day. Now this evil man just okay, he want warm the hair my people. Ask me whether the hair wey want warm, whether the hair dey fit cold. This man just waste two people life just like that. Not be say these two people they thief or they fight or whatever. On that spot, this man just waste their life. Oh my God, we need justice. We need, oh my God, just imagine. We need justice for all those two people where this man just waste their life because he want try the AK where they give am. Ha, my God, no, that Nigeria my people, many things where they come out for dear, many things, especially all those Koji, Kaduna, many things where they come out for dear. I don't even ask, apart from all those places, all Nigeria as a whole. Just imagine this wicked man. I don't know what he want try for her. Where they crack the AK where they give am. How they will give this kind to even look at the man self my people, even the baby wey he carry and everything. I know say you cannot judge person by the appearance without even be to even look at himself. The man don't even na just the own appearance, they don't even determine say the man are just evil person. I know say this man are security agent, they just by do the interview of the man. I know say after all those interview, the man will go back to in duty again. Ha, just imagine this man a drunkard, na drunkard my people. Even wetin the man dey talk sef, the something no even correct for mouth. And this people na Buhari even employ put for seat. Just imagine, my people, because he say he dey want the AK, he just waste two people life like that. These two people, they get family, they get husband, they get relative, they get children. This man just waste two people life. Well, my people, make una watch the video, make una see the people wey una president Buhari he employ put for seat. Oh my God, just imagine the two people, he just waste that two people life just like that because in a security guide. Ha! Now wow, for that country, my people, it take the grace of God to live in that country. Where I go leave the video for there, make una say, I know say after they do the interview of this man, I know say the man will go back to his seat. Make una just imagine the kind people where Buhari they employ put for seats. May their soul rest in peace. Well, my people, I will leave the video for you guys to watch and leave your comment in the comment section down below. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
What are your names?
To Ada collect Sunday, Ada.
You are who?
I'm respect to Ada collect Sunday, Ada.
Which of the force are you with?
Nigerian Security and Civil Defense.
Yes, what today's date?
Today is 24th.
Check your brain work. This is the 25th.
Today is 25th.
25th of what?
Of December
Which year?
2020.
What happened that you are here? In the police station?
We are in charges house of duty. So I'm going around checking our men on duty, coming back. I said, let me warm the air
Warm the air with what?
with my rifle.
What type of rifle?
AK.
AK what?
AK is 54.
How many magazines were you carrying?
I'm carrying 3 magazines with 90 rounds.
Okay. As you warm the air, what happened?
I warmed the air with 2 shots. So I want to bring my rifle down. This thing now hang the Christmas light, trying to force it down so I can clear my magazine. My hand not press the trigger.
And you asked your
Two
arm.
shots now came out.
As 2 shots came out, what did that 2 shots? Those 2 shots do?
I didn't even see anybody. Next thing I saw is those bouncers began to beat me, drag my rifle and everything.
Yes, now, what did you discover that those 2 shots have done?
They say somebody was injured and one died.
Did one injured or the 2 died?
I didn't even know because the beating was much. I think they were just saying one was injured and the other one died. That's what they were telling me. I don't know till now.
Okay, if I'm clear, that means today being the 25th of December 2020, were you really posted to that place?
Yes, sir.
Where are you serving as a
I'm
civil
serving
defense
in
officer?
Tukpo. I'm serving in Makodi, but we're posted to Tukpo government
Under which section?
under Agro Rangers.
So you were seconded to Agro Rangers,
Yes, sir.
Tukpo,
Yes, sir.
and you were on patrols. Who detailed you for that duty?
If DSC, I'm innocent.
He detailed you for the duty.
Yes, I missed twice.
Were you posted from Makodi, or did they call you from Makodi to go to that job, or you went on your own?
They call us from Makodi to assist people that came to Abuja in that place.
People that came from Abuja, are they policemen or
They are civil defense from Abuja,
from
but
Abuja?
they didn't come with their own hillocks.
Okay,
So I should convey and work with them in that place.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your action has led to the death of 2 persons.
Yes,
Are you remorseful?
I'm really because I never planned on that before in my life.
Your action, was it deliberate or
It was not deliberate. It was not deliberate. I don't know anybody that it was not deliberate, sir.